Student Standard 5. Today you will read the English reader book. Please open your book page number 51. The subject is the unfaithful friend. Yesterday we have already read its first page, that is page number 50. We have already completed. So today we will read the page number 51. Page number 51. So look at your book. Next day the crocodile again came to the river bank. On the first day the crocodile got the sweetie jamuns from the monkey and ate it happily, and he came on the next day. The crocodile again came to the river bank. There he saw the monkey again sitting on the tree top. That means he could see that monkey which gave him the jamun nuts to him on yesterday. Today he is sitting on the top of the tree. The monkey shared his jamuns with him. So as yesterday jamuns were shared to the crocodile, today also monkey gave him some jamuns or shared him some jamuns. Now it became a daily routine. That means it became a daily routine for crocodile and also for the monkey. The crocodile would daily come to the river bank and the monkey would give him some jamuns to eat. That means it was a regular habit of both the animals, both the creatures. Crocodile came to the river side or bank of the river, and the monkey was on top on the tree, and the monkey was sharing the jamun nuts to crocodile, and it was a regular habit of both for monkey and the crocodile. Soon the monkey and crocodile became good friends. So as it was a usual give and take relationship, automatically it developed the friendship between them. So they had a keen friendship with each other. They started meeting daily. That means as they were friends, they were started meeting daily. One day the monkey gave some extra jamuns to the crocodile and said, one day the monkey gave some extra jamuns to the crocodile and said, these are for the members of your family. That means the monkey offered to the crocodile some jamuns for his family members. So go and give them these tasty jamuns. That means give them these tasty jamuns means the monkey told to the crocodile, because as they were the friends, the monkey for his behavior would try to keep the relationship with the family members of the crocodile. So he shared some jamuns for his relatives of his friend crocodile. The crocodile, they will also surely like them. That means he guessed and he thought, and he also told to the crocodile that if you will give these jamuns to your family members, they must like them and they will praise to me. The crocodile felt very happy to hear this. The crocodile became happy when he heard about his family members and got the jamuns from the monkey. So he became very happy. He took the jamuns and quickly went back his home. That means he went back home. He gave the jamuns to his wife, who was the lone member in his family. That means a lone member in his family. That means the crocodile's wife was there in his family, and none was there with him, so that he was the alone member in his family. Other than him, she ate the jamuns and said, that means crocodile's wife ate all the jamuns and said, oh, these black things are really very tasty. That means the jamuns are black in color, so that the blacky things are really very tasty. The crocodile wife told it. From where did you get them? That means he asked to crocodile, or he asked to his husband crocodile, that from where did you get them? So it was a question of his wife. That means from where you have got it. So that this much for you, and we will read it, the page number 52 on tomorrow. Have a nice day, my dear students. If there is any doubt or problem, let me know in our school app or contact me in our school number. I will clarify your doubts or any problem is with you. I will try my best to solve it. Have a nice day. Thank you.